Germany, the land of potatoes.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Yes, today's video is a potato recipe, and it is none other than a curry. No surprise there by now. This curry is so thick you won't be able to swim in it. You must know a good potato salad or even a form of fries. But have you tried it in curry form? Usually enjoy this as a side dish with rice and various rotis. Another good pairing is string hoppers. String hoppers are made with rice flour, which are essentially self-made steamed noodles. Add to that the previously posted chili chutney. Oh my god, it's simple but so good. So let's roll in the potatoes. To begin with, cut potatoes into bite-sized pieces. I took 2 big potatoes and added water until covered up to the surface. Cook first at high heat and then reduce heat to medium. Cook about 15-20 minutes until it's half cooked. Then comes the spices. 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt, depending on how much salt you would prefer, 1/2 a red onion well chopped, 1 fresh green chili also chopped, and if you have them, a few fenugreek seeds as well as fresh curry leaves would be added now. If you have the curry leaf powder, add it later before adding the coconut milk. Adjust for salt after mixing a bit. You can adjust the flavor as you wish with further spices, such as some mustard powder, a piece of cinnamon, cumin powder, as well as coriander powder. Since I wanted to have some gravy, I added 1/2 a can of coconut milk, then let it cook until it boils and the potatoes are fully cooked. To thicken the curry a little, I press a piece of potato against the wall of the pot and mix it in the curry. Before serving, add 1/2 a lemon at the end. Mix it quickly and let it sit for a bit to cool down. As you can see, here we pair potato curry with bitter gourd and an omelette along with the string hoppers. And I'll leave you with a quote inspired by Austin Powers. Look at the gravy, baby. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you later.